Dearly beloved, I am gathered here today to show you what sugar can do for you. Synth Bass Edition.
Process.audio.
In my session, you'll find 3 examples of typical types of synth bass. This one is particularly gnarly. So there's nothing wrong with this sound by itself, but if you try and mix this in, it's really hard to get him to cut through because it's really fat. You can't hear the note if there's a big bass drum and a lot of stuff around it. And sugar is great for that. Check it out. Just turn the drive on. Here on that super low note here, you can hear the note better. And then nothing prevents you from adding some super thick stuff under. Without distorting, of course. You're not that kind of girl. Here we go. Let's save some car doors here. That will cut through 10 times better without taking too much room. For years, I've been using plugins like Tapehead or Decapitator or something like that to be able to get that shine, that rub through without having to alter the sound of the bass too much. Now I can do both the fattening and that harmonics generation with saturation using just sugar, and with the built-in high pass, it's really practical. I still use Decapitator and Tapehead for other stuff, but for this kind of stuff on basses, it's really awesome. Check out this bass. From our good friends at Tomboy. This is from The Light. Love that song. So here, same thing. I am sure that on the original mix, I used Tapehead. Sure. So here I'm going to use drive. I'm already halfway there. Get rid of the unnecessary bottom. Maybe a little bit of that push here. That's all it needs. Here's one more example of synth bass in a situation that happens a lot, the fake bass that tries to be a real bass, but it's really a synth bass trying to be a real bass, faking the bass. You know what I'm saying? So this sounds as much as an electric bass as I sound American. So let's fix that. But it is a synth bass technically. It wants to be an electric bass when it grows up. So the first thing is it's so clean, it's not going to work. So let's add some dirt. Okay, it's also too bright and too clacky. Maybe use the gentle slope. And then make it fat. Okay, maybe with this, yeah, and then high pass it. The punch doesn't work, it's go too thick. I think the broad's too broad. Let's go back to warm. That sounds a little better. We could put a little wah-wah behind it, and that would be fun, but let's try drive instead of distort. I think we can actually darken it further. If I add more of the warmth. Maybe if I lower the output a little bit. We start it here. Just a little bit less. I'm going to use the wave inject to lower the effect. Without. With. Is it a little too much drive? This will sit a lot better in your mix than this Contact 5 sample-y kind of thing. And this, my friends, is what Sugar can do for you, Synth Bass edition. Do try this at home. Et voilà. Process.audio.